Alright, my YouTube fans, it's cold out here. I'm going to show you how to start an old car that's a carburetor. And that's a dually. Dualies are hard to start when it's cold. They don't want to start. If you have one, you know. So, this car been sitting for a couple months since summer. Maybe October. So, give it about 3-4 months. I haven't started it. Okay, start it. It is in the zeros. You can see your breath. That's how cold it is. So the little trick is, what you want to do is get yourself starting fluid. Any brand. Just spray it in the front here and in the back. Just give it a good rundown. And then you're going to open your throttle a little bit. And this is for cars that have been sitting. Okay. Let me get in here. A little tight squeeze. But I'm going to show you in the winter time. It will start right up. Watch this. And it's real cold out here. And it starts with a flicker key.